SMCI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short and brief 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at super microcomputer stock, I'm willing to double down, buy more. You know, I understand it's 0.4% down. This how my chart's looking like. In last 2 trades, you know, I got 1 win, 1 loss. The win was beautiful, you know, cut it out when it was 33, reached like 47, whatever. Here is that. 13th of May, right? And then I got like an L, which is fine. All that's left for me is like a second break to either take it further up from here, or if the price does pull down a bit lower, confirmation to take it further up. Last thing that I will be doing is just randomly getting involved now, because it's not it currently. I mean, obviously it could change, it could not. That's why I'm here to keep you updated, because come on, it's the markets, you know, they change. It's very risky. So I have previous receipts like 70 in the Discord. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.